If you're looking to set up subscription services on ShopWired, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can use ShopWired to make your subscription business run smoothly, and I'll be sharing everything you need to know to make the most out of it. Stick around till the end because I've also got a surprise in store for you, some alternatives that might actually work even better for your needs. Now, let's get into it. First off, ShopWired is a solid e commerce platform, but when it comes to subscription services, it's important to know exactly what you're dealing with. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your products for subscription. ShopWired allows you to sell products through a subscription model, but you'll need to integrate a subscription management app like Subscription Boxes from the ShopWired app marketplace. Once you've got the app installed, it's all about defining your subscription options. Next thing, creating your subscription plans. ShopWired gives you the ability to offer various plans for your customers. You can create weekly, monthly, or yearly subscriptions, which is great if you're offering products that need regular replenishment, like food, beauty products, or health supplements. However, if you're looking to get more specific or creative with your plans, you might run into some limitations here. The customization options aren't as deep as some other platforms, which could be a downside depending on your needs. Moving on, the third thing you'll need to consider is payments. ShopWired supports subscription billing through its integration with payment processors like Stripe. The payment process is simple, but you may notice that the options aren't as flexible as other subscription platforms. For instance, there's no built-in way to offer things like partial payments or custom payment cycles, which might make it tough if you're aiming for more complex subscription offerings. Now, let's talk about customer management. ShopWired does provide some basic customer management features, like being able to track which users are subscribed and view their order history. But this can feel a little bit bare bones if you're trying to build a more personal connection with your customers or offer them tailored subscription options. Other platforms, like Cratejoy or Shopify with apps like Recharge, provide much deeper customer relationship tools. Next thing, shipping and fulfillment. If your subscription service includes physical products, ShopWired integrates with shipping and fulfillment apps, which is essential for automating this side of the business. But again, you may find that it's not as seamless or automated as some of the top competitors. For example, platforms like WooCommerce with WooCommerce subscriptions offer more comprehensive options to fully manage your fulfillment process without relying on third-party apps. Finally, while ShopWired is a solid platform for basic subscription services, it does have its limitations. There are definitely more specialized platforms out there that cater specifically to subscription-based businesses with more robust features for customer management, flexible payments, and advanced subscription customizations. Now, this isn't to say ShopWired won't work for you. If you're looking for something simple and easy to get started, it's a good choice. But let's be real, if you're looking for a more tailored, feature-packed experience for subscription services, there are other options worth exploring. For instance, platforms like Cratejoy or Shopify with apps like Recharge offer a more comprehensive suite of tools designed specifically for subscription businesses. And just before we wrap up, I've got something special for you. If you decide ShopWired is still the right fit for your business, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial through our link that you won't find anywhere else. But remember, I've also mentioned some amazing alternatives that could work even better for your subscription goals, and they come with their own free trials as well. Check out the link in the description to get the best deal and the most exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and make sure you explore all your options before diving into your subscription business.